Another day, another story. Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is all about investing like a pro and achieving financial freedom in your 50s. Whether you're approaching your 50s or already in this age group, it's never too late to take control of your financial future. So, let's dive right in. First, let's clarify what investing means. Investing is the act of allocating your money to various assets or ventures with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. It's a way to make your money work for you and grow over the long term. Now, you might be wondering, why is investing so important, especially in your 50s? Well, let me share a few compelling reasons. Building wealth. Investing allows you to build wealth and accumulate assets that can generate passive income. This income can provide financial stability and security during your retirement years. Beating inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. By investing, you have the opportunity to outpace inflation and preserve the value of your wealth. Retirement planning. Your 50s are a critical time to focus on retirement planning. Investing wisely can help you bridge any retirement savings gaps and ensure you have enough funds to live comfortably when you decide to retire. Diversification. Investing allows you to diversify your assets across different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversification helps mitigate risk and enhances the potential for consistent returns. Now that we understand the importance of investing, let's discuss how to invest like a pro and achieve financial freedom in your 50s. Follow these steps to get started. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial objectives and the timeline in which you aim to achieve them. This could include goals like paying off debts, saving for retirement, or funding your children's education. Assess your risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance, which is your ability and willingness to endure fluctuations in the value of your investments. This will help you determine the right asset allocation strategy. Educate yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial experts to expand your knowledge. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across a variety of asset classes and sectors to reduce risk. Consider diversifying between stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like commodities or cryptocurrencies. Consult with a financial advisor. Seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor can provide valuable insights tailored to your specific financial situation. They can help you create a personalized investment plan and provide ongoing support. Invest for the long term. Investing is a long-term game. Avoid chasing short-term trends or attempting to time the market. Instead, focus on a disciplined approach and stay invested for the long haul. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of investing like a pro and achieving financial freedom in your 50s. Remember, it's never too late to start investing and secure your financial future. Take control of your finances today and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.